What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make $500 a day with crypto trading bots. Now, you guys may be saying, "Well, Chanel, isn't the price crashing?" I see you got your chart pulled up. It say $33,000 was in crypto not too long ago, about $69,000 at its peak. And the answer is yes, guys. But I want to show you guys, because in my last video, I basically showed you guys how to make money with the loan bots and how you can make money when the market is going up. But I also want to show you guys that even when the market is going down, you still can make money. And I'm pretty much making money passively. I do have some active trades that I took, but as of right now, I'm only running my bots, so these deals close automatically. I don't have to do anything to get in and out of these trades. Only thing I have to do is kind of just watch the market. So I don't want to say this strategy is only you just set it and forget it. No, you got to kind of keep up with current market conditions. So I would say, pay attention to the daily chart, see where you're at for the day. Pay attention to certain type of levels, and just make sure that you can flip your bias. Because what happened was, back in April when I first started, I wasn't expecting this type of crash in May, and I got hurt a little bit, but not hurt where my life is over. I have multiple streams of income, so this is not my only way of making money. But I did take a little bit of a loss on this drop because I was long, guys. I was in nothing but long bots, and I want you guys to understand, you have to be able to flip your bias in crypto. Crypto is just not a straight shot up. There's a lot of corrections that happen in crypto, so you have to be willing to flip your bias. Just like now, I'm short, but I have to be willing to flip my bias when crypto gets to a certain point, maybe above 40k. I can reassess. Maybe even above 52k, I can reassess again, just to make sure I'm in the right position, because I don't want to be stuck holding short bots and the market is rallying up. So you got to be willing to flip your bias, and that's the only thing when it comes to this. But you can see here, so far today, it's only 8:47 in the morning, and I already made $500, $516. It's a fairly red day, so today's going to be a good day. I'm going to make over $500 with this bot, because I already made 500 and it's only 8 a.m. So by I think the end of the day for this software is around 7 p.m. So by 7 p.m. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make more money, depending on how the market go. Now, it could rally up, but yeah, it's looking good so far. Even though crypto is crashing, like, guys, you could still make a full-time income just off these trading bots. I made a full-time income last year off the trading bots going long. I also made 6 figures just buying and holding cryptocurrencies, guys. So it's plenty of ways to make money in cryptocurrency. Don't just think you can only make money when the price goes up. You can make money in both directions. So I just show you guys kind of like the flow so far for the day. You can see the type of deals that we're closing, the bots that I'm running. You can see these are all short bots, and this is also future bots. So what you can do is, on any exchange that allows futures, Binance, FTX, Bybit, this is possible with any of those exchanges. So if you're not familiar with shorting the market, it's pretty much you're betting on basically the price going down. So I just want you guys to understand, you need to take advantage of both directions in cryptocurrency. These are pretty much all the deals that I'm running like 20, a little bit over 20 plus bots. Pretty much shorting all the main cryptocurrencies. I think all these are in the top 100. So I'm shorting because that's just my bias, and I'm willing to flip my bias at certain points in the market. But if you guys want my exact strategy, like how I exactly set this up, what are my settings, you want just exact copy and replica of these bots, and break down my biases, my long bots and stuff like that, I'm offering private coaching for this. So if you're interested in private coaching, we can get on the phone for an hour. I'm gonna help you set it up, help you set up your exchange, whatever you need to do, basically help you get started so you can start making $500 a day for yourself. Because to me, this is like one of the most powerful things you can do. Even if you have a 9-to-5 job, you can do this. If you at home all day, you can do this. Like, it's not time consuming, guys. You only need about 30 minutes to an hour to get everything set up. So if you're interested in private coaching, the link is below in the description, and I will basically help you get started with this if you're interested. But one thing I do want to say with that is that you don't have to know how to trade to make money with crypto. You don't have to know like everything about technical analysis, even a bunch of fundamentals. You can take some of the top cryptocurrencies that you already heard about and just run bots on those. Those are pretty much, the top 100, top 50, whatever you want to stick to. These exchanges have a plethora of pairs that you can set up with these bots. And you guys may be asking, like, well, why are you using futures? Isn't futures dangerous? And yes, the answer is yes, but if we're using low position sizes, it shouldn't be too much of an issue to run this bot. Like I said, if you got the private coaching, I'll show you guys the position sizing, the type of risk, how to manage your risk, how to know exactly what you're risking, budgeting, all that type of stuff, guys, so you don't get wrecked. I already been testing this software for almost a year now, and things are going good. So if you guys are interested in learning how to make money with crypto trading bots, 3 commas, FTX, Binance, I can also show you, how to set this up with futures. Or if you don't want to do futures, I can show you a safer way with just the spot markets, how to set this up as well, if that's what you're interested in. The reason I actually like futures is because you can use less budget. I'm not using up most of my capital. Like with my spot bots, it ties up a lot of capital, but as you can see with this bot, only $26 out of 23 pairs that I'm running, only $26 right now is on reserve. That's not saying that this is max drawdown. Yes, I can go into drawdown if the market rallies, but I'll show you guys how to manage that, be safe, in my private coaching. So that's really the only risk with these bots is, drawdown and making sure you have your account funded enough so that you can handle, any drops in the market or sudden rallies if you are shorting, or sudden drops if you are long. But what I do want to say is that there are risks. I don't want to just say, oh, this is just a free way to make money, just set it and forget it. Like, I'm not saying set it and forget it. It's a crypto trading bot, but you have to pay attention to market conditions, which to me is not hard. You check the market conditions on a daily or on an hourly basis, however you want to do. I just check it on pretty much on a daily basis. And if I'm doing some like trading, I can show you guys 3 commas also that allow you to do smart trading, so you can see some of the trades that I've been able to take with Bybit. Let me actually show you something with Bybit. So you can see my Bybit exchange right here. I actually started the account with like $1,500. So far I'm at $1,700, and these is the trades that I took. So I made almost $200 trading manually. I took some losses because I messed up my entries a little bit. So I'm not a perfect trader. I do take losses, and that's why I like running these trading bots, because I don't pretty much have to worry about taking losses like that. You can kind of see just the average daily deal flow, where I'm just closing in profit multiple times a day. Want to say over 100 times closing profits over 100 times a day, and that's how I'm able to make these type of profits with the DCA bot, because I'm pretty much buying as the price. With the short bot, I'm buying as the price goes up, and then as the price comes back down, I'm selling at a certain point. So like I said, I reveal all my take profit points. Basically give you a carbon copy of the exact bots if you get inside my coaching, so you won't even really have to even do too much. You'll just literally copy and paste these bots into your software, and you'll pretty much be set up and able to do exactly what I'm doing, copy and paste style. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to make extra side income on the side, passively, then click the link below, get inside my private coaching so we can hop on a call and I can help you get this set up. All right, guys, so that's pretty much all I got for this video. I don't want to take up too much time. It's 9 o'clock. I'm also doing some stuff in the stock market as far as I got some puts open and things like that, so looking to close some of those out today. Or the Fed meeting is, I think, tomorrow, Tuesday, and so we're getting a big economic week and news week, so I'm gonna be paying attention to the markets a little bit this week. Also, making sure that I don't get wrecked running these short bots, just in case Powell comes out a little dovish or something tomorrow. I don't want the markets to rally and I'm stuck holding short bots or whatever. So we're gonna see what goes on as far as is interest rates still gonna be raised, things like that. So I like to pay attention to stuff like that because it affects crypto. All right. And I'm also invested in the stock market, and, you know, I'm doing some options trading. I hold some dividend shares. So you can short the market with options, or you can also loan the market with options. So that's why I like stocks as well, because you can make money both directions as well. So crypto, stocks, they're both great income opportunities. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Hope to see you inside the private coaching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.